In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror glass on this Honda Civic. This will be located attached to your mirror. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the mirror glass, let's carefully pivot the mirror. Now obviously when we're dealing with this, trying to remove it, you want to be extremely careful that none of this glass cuts you or gets in your eyes. So make sure you're wearing hand and eye protection. We'll continue on with some masking tape. The reason why we're putting this on here is just in case it does happen to break, it's not going to shatter, the pieces should stick together. Now we'll continue on with a plastic trim tool. Push the mirror to the upright position. Come down along the bottom and gently try to pry it apart. Should want to pop out, and then you can pivot the upper area out of position as well. Up along the top is where those two hooks were, and down at the bottom is where we popped it out of place. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new mirror glass. Before we put this in position, let's have a look at the backside. You'll find that it has a thin piece of paper, which is protecting an adhesive located directly behind it. Continuing looking at the backside, up along the top, you have those two hooked tabs. Along the bottom is the two clips. We'll put the hooked tabs into their corresponding slots, bring it up, and then hook in those clips down along the bottom. Press that in as hard as you can. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.